I'd like to begin with Donald Trump. Without him, we probably wouldn't be live streaming on YouTube right now. That's probably a fact, but I'm guessing you have a few opinions on him and the MAGA movement and also the extremely divisive politics that we're seeing around the world.
Well, I've got an enormous amount of abuse, actually since 2016, before Trump became president for the first time. When, I mean, apart from having fraud stamped to his forehead, I couldn't think of anything more obvious before me than Donald Trump is not what he claims to be. If you look at his history, which I lay out in the roadmap, he's been fundamentally part of the swamp. And in 2016, it was drain the swamp. Well, it's very difficult to drain a swamp when you're swimming in it, mate. And so the easiest way to scam people is to tell them what they want to hear. Because already the door is swinging open. Because people want what you're saying to be true. And because people also overwhelmingly, instead of looking in the mirror at the way forward, they look for someone outside of themselves to be a savior to do it for them. So along comes Donald Trump in 2016. He's telling people what they want to hear. He's telling that constituency what it wants to hear. And people are buying it. They're seeing him as the savior. And I saw him as a con man. It was like, to me, he was so transparent, it was unbelievable. And I got a lot of abuse for calling him out. And the same in this year, 2024, the election campaign, he came in early this year. Again, the abuse was off the scale, because I was saying, this guy's a fraud. This guy is not going to do what he says he's going to do. And he's come in, and it's taken only a few months before a lot of people who, in the so-called alternative media, who promoted him to power, big time, for them to say, he's not what we thought he was, and he's not doing what we thought he would do. Well, hold on.
How do you get out of a rat race? How do you create wealth not only for yourself, but also for the generations to come after?
I am absolutely amazed with the quality of companies that we're getting exposure to.
We go on to Zoom calls with the innovators and the folks who are building new applications in metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance.
What's going on, everybody? Thumbs up if you can see me.
We are focusing on early stage investment.
And the quality of people that we're getting exposure to, whether it be Dan Tapiero with 1RT, Jason Ma from Open, Yatsu from Animoca.
It's been a phenomenal experience thus far. It has far exceeded my expectations.
We are focusing on cutting edge technologies.
I view it now as the best investment I've ever made. The upside, I view, is unlimited.
And as a retail investor, I would never get this exposure anywhere else outside of Investment Club.
See you in the Investment Club.
Some of us saw that in 2016. What took you so long? And we're now in a situation with this central core of the alternative media that gets all the algorithmic promotion and the funding, where some of them are calling for things because Trump is saying he wants to do it, that they have spent, those that have been in the alternative media for long enough, many of them haven't, but they have been calling for things and supporting things that they have been railing against before. And the only difference is Trump says this is what should happen, so they support it. Well, hold on. Either it's right or it's not. It doesn't matter whether it's Trump saying it or the left saying it. It's either the right thing to do or it's not. And it's no good saying it's not the right thing to do when the left is saying it or whatever, and then say, oh no, it's the right thing to do now because Trump's saying it. It's unbelievable to me. And, you know, if you're a journalist, especially an alternative journalist, then the one thing you must not have is a political side. Because what happens, we've seen it through this Trump era, especially through 2024, 2025, whereby they filter how they present something on the basis of whether their side is saying it or whether the other side is saying it. And so you've got people, take Alex Jones as an example, who is saying now he wants to see the feds kicking doors down, after railing against the feds kicking doors down, going way back, where there's support for, he says, for regime change in Venezuela. We might get into why Venezuela and why Greenland later as well. And supporting taking out what are almost certainly fishing boats that do not have the capacity, the fuel capacity to even get to America, that have to get refueled so many times. And a Trump regime that is killing people, not naming who they are, producing no evidence that they're running drugs. And when two people survive an attack, instead of putting them on trial in America for running drugs, they send them back to their home countries in South America. Why? Because they don't want us to know who they really are for obvious reasons. So when I'm seeing the so-called alternative media that's been campaigning in a certain way and against certain things, suddenly now supporting them just because their man says they have to happen, is staggering to me. It's not journalism, and it's certainly not alternative journalism.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Most people will never see this opportunity. Dubai luxury transformation projects have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. These were once reserved only for insiders with access. I spent 15 years on Wall Street and I learned this: the biggest returns always go to the people who get the call first. Now, you finally can. We've just received a brand new project with major upside potential. Allocations move fast. Click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is your chance to see what others never will.